Hey everybody, welcome back. I just want to give a quick shout out to my two subscribers, Jimmy and Young Guns 8722. I want to thank you for subscribing. This episode is going to be two things. It's going to be my dad's tree spade and then also his buck that he got this year. So if you don't want to see a little graphicness, I guess, then fast forward it to some other point. So. Alright, we're going to do the buck first, and then we're going to do the tree spade. So, Dad got a 12-pointer this year. I don't know how well you can see that. I gotta get it set up here. Extra lighting on. That doesn't really help, but okay, yeah, 12-pointer. It's a pretty nice buck. He got a 10-pointer last year, and I don't know how. The last year's buck was 17 3/4. I don't know if this one is as big, but my in between my fingers is about 8 inches if I really spread it. So I mean, it's not a bad looking buck. It really is pretty good looking. So yeah, there's that, and then the tree spade. Now, when my dad told me about this, he said it was on a big back of an old army truck, which obviously it's a deuce and a half, but I just thought this thing was hilarious. Look at that. That's legit. That's funny. But yeah, if you wanna, if you're around the area, kind of look that up and see where we're at. It's I think he said it was like a 50s deuce and a half or something like that. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I really don't know what to go over on this because I really don't know anything, but it's pretty cool. He said like top speed was 45 miles an hour or something like that. I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't know. Canvas top, rack on the top there. Got a couple problems with the ram on the tree spade. He said it's pitting. Here, I'll show you. There's a little pitting on the ram because the guy left it out and didn't cover it up. So don't really know a lot about it, honestly, but it's a pretty cool truck. But